Hey guys, what is up? My name is Velma I, and today is day 5 of February Heart Week, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you 6 of the best DIY Pinterest ideas that I found on Pinterest. Creative, thoughtful Valentine's gifts for him. I'm going to be sharing them with you guys. I'm just going to be talking about them. I saw them on Pinterest and I thought they were super cute, and you can do this for your boyfriend, for your man, for your love, for your bae on Valentine's Day, and they're super last minute, very affordable, and I think they're just really cute and fun. So if you want to know the 6 cute ones that I picked from Pinterest that I saw that like caught my eye, that gave interest to me, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so this first one, I would honestly want a guy to give me this because come on, a girl can use some coins. I'm just kidding. But I thought this one was super cute. I mean, I think any guy would like this unless your guy's like against gambling and all that kind of stuff. But honestly, come on, look at this. Look at this. Like, it's a heart. First of all, you win because you can buy this chocolate heart from wherever, like Walgreens, the Dollar Tree. Pretty sure you can find something like this very cheap. You could get it, you could eat the chocolate. So right there, you win. Like you win goals. You get the chocolate, and then you start off with an empty box, and then you just fill it with money. How smart is this? Like, who came up with this? You fill it with money, and then on the lid, for like a little extra something, you put lottery scratch tickets. Like, what guy would not like that? So I think that was a super cute idea, so kudos to whoever put this on Pinterest. Alright, the next one is super cute. Look at this. Look at this. Look. So you can be super creative with this. You can be super personable with it because you know your man. Nobody knows your bae more than you do. And you can just kind of put whatever you want on this. What you do is you get 1 tablespoon of dish soap, which we all pretty much have in our house. And you get a tablespoon of acrylic paint. So acrylic paint is super cheap. I'm pretty sure you might be able to find it at Dollar Tree. Don't quote me on that. But I know Walmart has them like for 99 cents, like $1. You can find some acrylic paint, and I guess you mix it in a little bowl, and voila, like you can draw a card, you can print out a card, and you can make little heart shapes and add whatever little message you want in there. Whether you want to give him some like kinky little ideas, you know, like some little free passes, if you know what I mean. Or you can just surprise him and tell him little things. I don't know, like little notes. Like this one here says 10 things I love about you. So every time he scratches a heart off whenever he's feeling down, he wins because he reads a cute little message from you. Alright, this next one, oh my god, I think it's so cute. It's so, I mean, like, who thought of this? Like, it's so affordable. It's so true. I heard this about penguins. So it says, when a male penguin falls in love with a female penguin, he searches the entire beach to find the perfect pebble. Is this true? Like, this better not be a myth. But oh my gosh, guys. And then I was wondering, like, I'm kind of those type of people that like my mind goes places, you know, and I start overthinking everything. So I was like, where does, like, that really sucks. Like, all day I was contemplating because I was like, what does she do with a pebble? She doesn't have a purse. Penguins don't carry purses. They don't have pockets, not that I know of, you know? Like, where does she put the pebble? And then what if they steal her pebble? Like, I was just so worried, guys. Like, the whole day I was thinking about it. I'm like, damn, like, what if somebody steals her pebble? Like, am I dumb, or do you guys do this? Do you just go off in like your own little world and you just, you lose your marbles a little? I do. So I was just throwing that out there. But it's super cute. Like, you can find a little pebble. You can walk outside, grab yourself a pebble, put it in a box, like super affordable, and oh my god, like, I mean, actually this would be good for a guy to give a girl. So scratch this one, make it 5 cute Pinterest ideas, but that's a cute one. Like, okay, the next one is very affordable. Again, you can just, well, you have to buy a lot of candy, but that's okay. The poster board, cheap. Find some pictures of you and bae or whatever, and then you make a message using the candy titles like sweetheart and extra gum, nerds, Milky Ways. So I'm gonna read you really quick what this says here. It says, to my sweetheart, and it obviously has sweetheart candy. You are extra special to me. Thank you for everything you make my starburst. Yeah, you make my starburst. I may be an airhead, but we can be nerds. What? We can be nerds something. I couldn't find a better man, even if I orbit the Milky Way. I just want a rollover, touch your whatchamacallit. I won't let you slip. I can't read English, guys. Let's just stop really quick and address the fact that your girl is dumb. Okay. Lot you slip through my butterfinger. I scored big time with you. Trust me, I'd punch a hole for you. I love you. I can't see that picture, like the candy on the corner, so if you guys know what that is, like let me know, because it's confusing me. To something, my big hunk. Like, that's cute. That's so cute. Super like thoughtful. I'm pretty sure you can come up with your own story if you look at candies out there. You can come up with something super cute. Alright, so the fourth one is super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Letters. You can write some letters, and it's pretty much called open win. So what happens is you write a letter for each occasion, I guess. So like open when you're having a bad day, open when you feel down, open when you feel alone, you know, things like that. You can just make, you know, your boyfriend more than anybody, you know, your bae, your husband, whatever he is, you know him, so you can just kind of, yeah, so you would know what messages would be more useful to him, so you can kind of go just make your own thing up. So that's really cute, very thoughtful. You can cut out a heart, write the message, put it in an envelope, and then he can open a letter whenever he needs it, you know, like a little pick-me-up, a little motivation. Just like open when you don't want to go to the gym, open when you feel unmotivated, you know, things like that. Like, how cute. Okay, the next one I really like. This one I would love to do. You buy a Jenga. Does anybody play Jenga anymore? You buy a Jenga game board, which is the little puzzle pieces that you put together, and then you slide them out. Each person takes a turn. You know, you take one piece out. But on the little boards, because they're all little wood pieces, you write messages. So you can write messages like, I love you to blank and back, or it's, I guess you can do questions or whatever. I love you because I love your blank, how much do you love me, like things like that. You can just make it personable. Again, all of these you can make personal to your liking, you know, to what, yeah, just to your situation. It's really simple. Like, you just put whatever messages you want. On this particular one, they put little hearts on the ends, which is super cute. It made it like really cute. So all you need is a Jenga board, Jenga game, and you need a red marker, and bam, you're done. Really cute. And you guys can spend time together playing this little puzzle, so win. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was it. I don't even know what number I'm on, but the last one I want to show you guys really quick is this one here. Like, look at that. I think it's really cute. You can make this yourself. You don't have to buy it. I'm pretty sure this looks store-bought or homemade, I don't know. But you can buy a bunch of little googly eyes and put them, like, make it yourself, you know, cut out a heart, put googly eyes, and it says I only have eyes for you. It's really cute. Like, there's a bunch of little eyes looking at him when he opens the card. I think that was super cute, so that's something I would do as well. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my quick little, whatever you call this, slideshow of really cute and thoughtful Pinterest Valentine's Day DIYs for him. So yeah, thank you guys so much. We are getting so close to the last day of February Heart Week. I hope you're enjoying it. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing, because I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday, but right now we're obviously in February Heart Week, so you guys are getting one video every single day, which you probably don't even care about, just because you're busy with life, you know, people have lives. But if you do, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your comments down below. I appreciate the thumbs up, and let me know how you're liking February Heart Week. Also, let me know what videos you want to see from me, because I would like to make more content, but I want it to be something that you guys actually want to see with your ojo. So yeah, thank you so much. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!